to pop my shit, to talk my shit, to walk my talk and talk my walk.
I'ma tell you right now, I'm the motherfucking greatest. Where the hell my flowers? Happy